Have you been looking for the perfect certified pre-owned SUV with all the features, reliability, and sleek style you can imagine? Take a look at this 2017 4x4 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude Edition in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps in a gloss black bezeled finish, premium LED fog and daytime runners, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels with all-season LRR tires, power liftgate, remote start system, premium heated leather and suede heated front row seats, heated leather wrapped steering wheel with mounted audio controls, instrument cluster with off-road display information, park view rear backup camera, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, Uconnect integrated voice command with Bluetooth, trailer group 5, towing, 7 and 4-pin wiring harness, Class 5 receiver and hitch, full-size spare tire, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3087A.